Taking a look at our plans, we have 3 upper horizontal supports and 1 lower horizontal support. These horizontal supports are connected via screws that are installed through the sides of our project. We need to identify those screw locations and drill each of those holes. For this project, we will be using the original design or the original shape. There are many different designs that you can choose, and each of the designs fit within the parameters of our 8-inch wide by 33-inch long by 3/4 inch thick side pieces. Now, it is essential that when laying out your design, the bottom of the template sits perfectly flush with the bottom of our board. We want this project to sit squarely on the floor. Our side pieces are cut perfectly square, so as long as the bottom edge is perfect and everything is drawn based upon the bottom edge, everything should line up down the road. Using a pencil with a sharp tip, we can trace each of the hole locations as well as the outside lines of our template.